Well, race fans, we're here at Roy Knob Motorsports Complex. Watching the moto bikes make their way around during their practice session here at Roy Knob Motorsports Complex in Markleysburg, Pennsylvania. The reopening of Roy Knob Motocross. We opened up a few weeks ago, and today is July 30th. We have a fair amount of bikes out here, a few four-wheelers, and also a couple quads, and small bikes, big bikes. Really looking forward to a beautiful day. Actually have one little bike up here on top of the hill. Looked like he took a spill, but got himself squared away. He turned back around. Looks like he's going to be all right. Getting himself pushed off the track there. Got himself going there. That's good. You can see some of the bikes catching some air down here in the bottom of the jumps. Some of these riders are very experienced. This young man here in the blue that's going down over the hill, he seems to be getting around the track pretty good.